What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
I am tying my shoes.
I am fastening my shoes by making a knot with the laces.
Where are they going?
Where are they going?
They are walking to the park.
They are moving on foot towards the park.
What is he doing with the cake?
What is he doing with the cake?
He is decorating the cake.
He is adding decorations, like icing or toppings, to a cake.
What is she doing with the phone?
What is she doing with the phone?
She is texting her friend.
She is sending a written message using her phone.
What will you do tomorrow?
What will you do tomorrow?
I will be attending a meeting.
Tomorrow, I will be participating in a formal discussion or gathering.
What is he doing outside?
What is he doing outside?
He is watering the plants.
He is giving water to the plants in the garden or yard.
What are they doing in the office?
What are they doing in the office?
They are typing on their computers.
They are using a keyboard to input text or data into a computer.
What is she doing in the kitchen?
What is she doing in the kitchen?
She is boiling water.
She is heating water until it reaches the boiling point.
What are you doing with the brush?
What are you doing with the brush?
I am brushing my teeth.
I am cleaning my teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste.
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
They are jumping rope. They are jumping over a rope that is swung under their feet.
What will you do later today?
What will you do later today?
I will be visiting a friend.
I will go to my friend's house or meet them later.
What is he doing in the kitchen?
What is he doing in the kitchen?
He is frying an egg.
He is cooking an egg in a pan with oil or butter.
What are they doing on the field?
What are they doing on the field?
They are practicing soccer.
They are training and improving their skills for a soccer game.
What are you doing on the couch?
What are you doing on the couch?
I am relaxing.
I am resting or unwinding, usually to refresh myself.
Where is she going?
Where is she going?
She is heading to the supermarket.
She is going to a store to buy food and other supplies.
What are they doing with the paper?
What are they doing with the paper?
They are folding the paper.
They are bending paper to create a crease, usually to make something like an envelope or origami.
What are you doing with the laptop?
What are you doing with the laptop?
I am writing an email.
I am composing and sending an email message using my laptop.
What will you do later this week?
What will you do later this week?
I will be cleaning the garage.
Later this week, I will be tidying up and organizing the garage.
What is she doing in the garden?
What is she doing in the garden?
She is planting seeds.
She is placing seeds into the soil to grow new plants.
What are they doing on stage?
What are they doing on stage?
They are acting out a script in front of an audience.
They are acting out a script in front of an audience.
What is he doing with the phone?
What is he doing with the phone?
He is making a call.
He is dialing a phone number to talk to someone.
Where are they walking?
Where are they walking?
They are walking to the bus stop.
They are heading to the location where the bus picks up passengers.
What is she doing with her hair?
What is she doing with her hair?
She is brushing her hair.
She is using a brush to detangle and smooth her hair.
What are they doing in the garden?
What are they doing in the garden?
They are pruning the bushes.
They are trimming or cutting back the branches of bushes for better growth.
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
He is riding a bicycle.
He is cycling for transportation or recreation.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I am fixing my car.
I am repairing a part of my vehicle to make it work properly.
Where are they going?
Where are they going?
They are walking down the street.
They are heading along the sidewalk or road.
What is he doing with the hammer?
What is he doing with the hammer?
He is hammering a nail into the wall.
He is using a hammer to drive a nail into the wall to hang something.
What are they doing in the pool?
What are they doing in the pool?
They are diving.
They are jumping or plunging into the water from the edge or diving board.
What is she doing with the notebook?
What is she doing with the notebook?
She is taking notes.
She is writing down important information in a notebook.